also wondering if it's safe, di ba ako mabubulag, or I go blind. But yes, I bought it and we'll see. So this is 299 pesos and it's in the shade gray, like color gray, whatever. So what is written on their website is that this is good for 1 year, and it's too good to be true because it's just 299. How much are contact lenses from like legitimate shops? They're like 1,000, right? But yeah, you can buy them for just 299 at this store in Shopee. And there are a lot of cheaper ones, but I didn't, get those because I don't want to go blind. It's so hard to open, but I was able to open it, luckily. By the way, you should not wear the contact lenses straight out from the original container. You should throw out the water and cleanse the lens. Clean it with the eye solution that came with the package by rubbing it with your finger in your palm. Make sure your hands are clean while doing this. Before doing this. So I tested wearing them. They're just totally fine, although it's not comfortable for long wears, but maybe for events or like a few hours, it's okay. And yeah, I instantly transformed to someone else. Char. Look, it's really nice to have lenses. It really, yeah, changes the look on your face for some reason. But that's all. Thank you so much for watching.